DataGuardian AI is a metadata reliability and governance layer built on top of DataHub. It continuously evaluates the health of the data catalog, identifies governance risks, and turns those findings into actionable intelligence. We start with just one connected dataset environment, our healthcare database. At this stage, the catalog contains significant governance and metadata issues, so the organization health is in a critical state. DataGuardian doesn't just report these problems. It records the evidence behind each finding and provides a path to remediation. As changes are written back and issues are addressed, the catalog is reevaluated and the organization health improves from critical toward a normal state. This makes the health score dynamic rather than a static dashboard number. Now we expand the same DataHub environment by adding a completely different domain, fiction retail. DataGuardian automatically detects the newly available datasets through the live DataHub catalog. No dataset-specific configuration is required inside DataGuardian. The retail catalog introduces its own findings, including missing documentation and a critical PII classification issue on the customer's dataset. We then add a third dataset environment, NYC Taxi. DataGuardian now evaluates the combined catalog rather than treating each dataset as an isolated application. As new assets and findings enter the catalog, the organization-level health score changes accordingly. At this point, DataGuardian is monitoring three different data environments: healthcare, fictional retail, and NYC Taxi. Each environment can contribute different types and severities of findings. Some may be critical governance risks, while others may simply indicate missing documentation or ownership. The findings ledger keeps those issues traceable to their individual DataHub assets, with evidence, reasoning, confidence, and remediation actions. Because DataHub remains the source of truth, investigators can move directly from a DataGuardian finding into the underlying DataHub asset. Here we can inspect schemas, columns, documentation, ownership, and lineage, including downstream dependencies in the healthcare pipeline. And the AI reasoning layer lets us interrogate that catalog in natural language, turning metadata and lineage into understandable business impact. DataGuardian AI transforms a changing DataHub catalog into a continuously measurable, explainable, and actionable view of data reliability. What makes this different is that the catalog remains dynamic. As datasets are added, metadata changes, or remediation is written back, DataGuardian recalculates the overall state. This gives teams a continuously updated view of data reliability instead of a one-time assessment.